Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make chicken paella. This is our take on the traditional Valencian dish, which usually contains seafood, but since I'm allergic to seafood, we're making it with chicken.
This recipe was requested by YouTube user Alina. Thank you so much for your request, and we hope you like this video.
To start, take 1.5 pounds of skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs, about 4 large thighs, and season them generously with salt and pepper on both sides. Let this rest at room temperature for now. Then take 2 plum tomatoes, peel off the skin from the tomatoes, then grate them into a bowl or plate.
Next, take a medium saucepan. Add in 3 cups of chicken stock. Turn on to medium heat and let this come to a simmer. While waiting for the chicken stock to come to a simmer, take a wide and shallow pan. Today we're using a 12-inch skillet. And heat it over high heat. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add in the seasoned chicken thighs, skin side down, and brown the skin side for 5 minutes. Turn it over and brown the other side for another 5 minutes. Remove the chicken from the pan.
To note, we recommend not using a non-stick pan for making paella. Using a non-stick pan will not result in a socarrat, which is the slightly crunchy, caramelized rice crust at the bottom of the pan. Hence, we're using a stainless steel pan for this. Next, add in 1 onion minced, 1 head of garlic minced, the 2 plum tomatoes that were peeled and grated earlier, 1 red bell pepper minced, and 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Sauté this mixture until they are softened and most of the moisture has boiled off, about 10 to 12 minutes. It will turn into a delicious sofrito.
Yum!
After 10 to 12 minutes of sautéing, add the chicken pieces back in, skin side up, together with any juices that may have collected. Sprinkle in 1/3 cup of pitted green olives that have been sliced cross-sectionally, and 1/2 cup of frozen peas. Then add in 1.5 cups of uncooked short-grain rice, either bomba or arborio rice. Stir the rice in a bit, just until the rice grains are moistened with the sofrito. Then sprinkle in a pinch of saffron. By now the chicken stock should have come to a simmer. Add in the 3 cups of boiling chicken stock, as well as 1/2 cup of dry white wine. We're using a Chardonnay today. Continue cooking on high heat for 15 minutes. Do not stir any more moving forward.
This is to keep the grains of rice separated and prevent it from getting too mushy.
Exactly. Paella is traditionally made with bomba rice. In the US, bomba rice can be difficult to get, and we've found that arborio rice, which is an Italian short grain rice, is a great substitute which is more readily available for us.
Keep an eye on the rice and liquid levels. If it starts to get too dry, add in an additional 1/4 cup of chicken stock at a time as needed.
After 15 minutes of simmering on high heat, rotate the pan so the heat and liquid get evenly distributed. And turn the heat down to medium and continue cooking for another 10 minutes until the rice is almost done or al dente and still a bit moist. Turn off the heat, cover with a lid or aluminum foil if you don't have a lid, and let the paella continue to cook in its own steam for another 10 minutes. Check the rice for doneness and add additional salt and pepper to taste as needed. Paella is traditionally served in the pan it was cooked in. As mentioned before, there should be a thin crispy layer of toasted rice stuck to the bottom of the pan, known as socarrat. And there it is, chicken paella with green olives. Yum!
Yum!
I love the little bits of crunchy socarrat scraped from the bottom.
And the subtle flavors from the sofrito and the chicken infused into the rice are just delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this chicken paella. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. And If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com.
Maraming salamat!